Mishama Shahana Temish Haku Tika at Sha Mast Nayetis Hawen Aktiwatyawa Hanum Eti Koakuni Eti Jauna Tist Zazi Americana Kaukani Tiwok Nata Yuekati Hawen Akti Tiwatyawa Zituni Chuawiti Gach Mameti Ekutiuni Chuawiti no Yuzi Kaicha Out Hey, it's the Diwatia when you watia what's what manage. Hey, it's the George E. Tratty, not how in a sequel. Hey, it's the IT Kauseno, Juni, Dicano, Scanos Steve's Kaoki, Jonas the Ecuchosti, she Tratty, how it's Gaten. That's in a kite away what the Eco M.A.G. Mash tonight, if the go over Canada, the Eco School over Canada. It's an M.A. Kaiti Yonati, it's Steve Coast, Trati, Tuniak.
Giacht erste Jag Kuchinish Hanu Agu me Hanu Suta. In my lifetime, I grew up only seeing glimpses of how life must have once been at Acoma, of women dressed in traditional clothing, women drawing water from the cisterns, and still making pottery the traditional way. Now, we live much different lives, work in large cities, and seek formal education. We raise our families far from our parents and our village. It is rare now that we return for every ceremony in our traditional calendar, or even speak the Ashia to our families and our children. This shift has caused us to drift farther and farther away from our culture, our language, and our traditions. And now that my parents and my grandparents have journeyed from this world into the next, I am surrounded by only stories and songs, memories of how simple life once was. And even though our lives are different now, the past is still an integral part of who we are as Acoma people today.